you ever wondered how plants are able to pull water out of the ground? It's not like they have a heart to pump water around or even a digestion system to extract the water from the soil. In fact, water movement in plants doesn't rely on energetically expensive biological pumps or even magic. It relies on some pretty basic physical principles operating within unique plant structures, and anyone can understand it. Although plants don't have circulatory systems like animals, they do have something quite similar, a network of small tubes called xylem used for carrying water. Xylem is composed of long hollow tubes formed by overlapping cells. Plants contain many xylem vessels, stretching from the roots to the tips of the leaves, just like a series of drinking straws. Xylem works within some basic physical principles to bring water from the ground up into the rest of the plant. The whole process starts out in the leaves. When the plant is photosynthesizing, it opens tiny holes in the underside of the leaf called stomata. The plant does so that carbon dioxide can flow in, but it also has a downside. Water also diffuses out of the stomata at the same time, drying out the inside of the leaf ever so slightly. As the plant dries out from the leaves, it brings more water in from the xylem due to some interesting chemical properties. Water is a polar molecule, meaning that it's slightly sticky. It forms temporary hydrogen bonds with itself. This creates cohesion. Small quantities of water will tend to stick together rather than scattering and spreading everywhere. Water also sticks to the inside of small tubes due to a property called capillary action. These two properties allow the water to travel in one unbroken column through the xylem from the roots to the leaf. Water moves through plants thanks to a few basic principles, but none of these can work without the first step in the process: water loss from the leaves. This process, called transpiration, happens faster when humidity is low, such as on a hot, windy day. This causes water to evaporate quickly, so the plant needs to suck up more water from the ground or from the cup to catch up.